Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. It is going to be my Facetory unbagging for March and my February review. This is a new subscription service that I recently have been receiving. So if you guys want to see what I got and hear more about Facetory, then keep watching. Before I get into the review and the unbagging, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about Facetory. First, I found out about them through another YouTuber that I watch, and I think it's a really nice subscription service. I think it's awesome. I don't have an affiliate link with them. I'm not an ambassador. I'm just telling you guys about this because I think you guys will like it. So, Facetory is a monthly subscription service, and every month you get 4 to 7 masks, and they're bags, boxes, whatever you want to call them, start at $8.90. So they're under $10 a month, and so it's super affordable. So they basically have, I have it written down here, they have like 3 different tiers of like the boxes, bags you can get. So first they have their Forever Fresh, which is what I receive, and it is $8.90 a month, and you get 4 masks in that. And I think honestly that that's a perfect amount. It's enough for the month. And plus, like I said, it's under $10 with like tax and shipping and stuff. It's around $9 and some odd change. Like, it's still really cheap. Then they have their 7 Luxe box, which is just 7 masks, and that one is $19.90 a month. And then they have their Luxe Plus, which is a bunch of like skincare items, like more than just masks and stuff like that, and that is $34.95 a month. If you guys are interested in getting this, I'll have a link down below. Again, it's not an affiliate link. I don't have any codes. But they do ship to 20 different countries. If you guys are wondering, I couldn't find like specifically what countries, but they ship to 20. So I definitely recommend you go check them out because they're really great. And like I said, they're affordable. So I actually unbagged the February bag on Instagram TV. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link that down below so you can see what I got and see my excitement. So this is what the bag looks like. I think the bags are super cute. They're like a Ziploc. They do close. So every month you do get a card with what is going on. First, we have this Bling Pop Peach Firming and Brightening Mask, and this retails for $2. I really enjoyed this mask. The sheet mask itself was just really thick and nice, and like just like a really nice quality, which I was not expecting because of how cheap it is. Like I said, it is $2. This smelled like a fruit roll-up, which I really liked. I love that. It was really like nice and sweet smelling. I think that this had a great amount of essence, and my skin felt amazing after I used this. It just looked very bright. It had a nice healthy glow, which I really enjoyed. Next up, we have this Beauty Chuck I'm Real Gira Mask Green Tea. This mask retails for $3. I really liked that this one had a lot of essence in it. Again, the actual sheet mask itself was a really nice quality, really thick and just nice. It didn't like tear or anything. And my skin felt really good for a couple of days even after I did this mask, which is a huge great thing for me because I feel like sometimes with sheet masks, it only lasts for about 24 hours and then, you know, like that nice feeling goes away. But this, my skin felt so good for days, which I really enjoyed. Next up, we have the Pure Skin Multivita Brightening Mask, and this retails for $3. This mask, so this one had this like plastic thing on it, which, I mean, I'm trying to so it had this on it, and this poked my eyes so many times. It was really annoying. I did not like that plastic thing at all. So you put this plastic piece had the actual sheet mask on it, so you put this on and then you were supposed to tear this off, but as you're putting it on, like, it's poking your eyes and it hurt. It was very uncomfortable. The actual sheet mask was huge. It was way too big for my face. I don't know what kind of face they were going for, but it was way too big. I felt like there was not enough essence in this mask either, because normally, like, you know, when you go in, when you're done, you take the extra essence and you rub it on your face. There was like not enough to do that with this one, but my skin did look really nice, and I think that this one lived up to the claims because this is a brightening active mask, so my skin did look really bright. But there's just so many cons with this that this is the one I just don't think I would repurchase. And then last we have the Facetory ASAT Face Collagen Mask, and this retails for $4. This mask was really refreshing and I thought it felt really nice on the skin, and that's pretty much it, only because this one has collagen in it, so it's just supposed to really like help with fine lines and wrinkles and like plumping the skin, which I didn't really notice any of that. One thing is though, one of these two masks definitely broke me out in like this area on my face. I think they broke me out, but I'm also like kind of stressed right now. Something in these broke me out or just made my breakouts worse. So these two definitely were not my favorite, but I did still like them because I like how they made me feel, and like they did kind of relax me a little bit. So February's retail value was $12, and I definitely think that it was worth it. I really did enjoy the masks, even though the last two that I did talk about, they weren't my absolute favorite. They definitely do help you just like wind down and relax at the end of the night, which I really did enjoy, even though they did break me out and they weren't the most comfortable. I still did enjoy them a little bit. So I would definitely say that February was worth it. So now on to March's unbagging. So let's see what we got for March. I do follow them on Instagram, but like I don't pay attention to the spoilers because I kind of want this one to be a surprise. So let me take out everything in the bag here. So, oh, you also get like a little postcard type of thing, which I think is really cute. And this one just says, "You are golden." So stinking cute. So then here we have the card with everything that we got. So first we got the Facetory Be Bright Be You Brightening Mask, and this retails for $4. This mask says, "Be the brightest version of yourself. To achieve a long-lasting glow, use our amazing gold foil mask. The special foil material prevents essence from evaporating to keep you glowing for days." This has, oh gosh, some fruit extract. I'll have the word right here because I'm not even going to try. Which is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps to strengthen the skin and protect from UV damage. And then the lemon fruit extract, which is an ingredient packed with vitamin C to protect the skin against acne. So it works to promote bright, glowing skin. This sounds amazing, and it sounds like it's going to smell really good with the lemon. I love, love lemon. Next up, we have the Yada Moisturizing Honey Mask, and this retails for $3. So this mask uses nourishing honey that softens dry skin and plumps up fine lines while treating irritation, which sounds amazing. Oh my god. This has honey extract, which is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps heal acne and hydrates dry, flaky skin. Guess who's going to use this one tonight? Because it sounds like right up my alley. This also has some flower leaf stem extract. Again, I'll have like the word right here. This is also known as willow herb. And this is a botanical ingredient that soothes and calms any inflammation, especially in acne-prone skin. All right, sounds fun. Next up is this Skin Planet Selection Prestige Gold Lifting Mask, and this retails for $3. This contains 0.5% of gold, and this mask helps smooth and plump your skin for a flawless look under makeup or just sunscreen. The key ingredients are gold, which is an anti-aging ingredient that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Interesting, I did not know gold did that. And then there's some extract in it. Again, the name will be right here. And this is an antioxidant that helps fight premature aging and protects the skin from environmental stressors. All right. And the last mask is from Baroness, and this is the Calendula Flower Sheet Mask, and this retails for $2.50. This helps treat dry and inflamed skin with the Baroness Calendula Flower Masks. Botanical ingredients such as calendula flower help soothe and help heal to bring your skin back to tip-top shape. Cute. So the calendula flower, also known as the English marigold, calendula it has an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and healing property to help nourish problematic skin. Interesting. And panthenol, which is also known as provitamin B5, and that helps pull water deep into the skin and keep the skin moisturized and smooth. So the total of March's bag is $12.50, and all of these masks sound amazing. I'm so excited to use all of them. Make sure you subscribe so you can see April's unbagging and hear a review for March, because these masks sound pretty promising. And that is it for this Facetory unbagging. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this subscription, if you have it or if you're thinking about getting it. So far, I really do enjoy it. I think it's totally worth the $8.90. Like I said, I love it. I think it's so good. The links are down below. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not an ambassador. I just think that you guys should check it out because I think you guys will like it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Also, make sure you're following me on all my social media. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.